Hi everyone! Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to use the best free VPNs in 2026. So, let's get started. First, open any web browser on your computer, such as Google Chrome or Microsoft Edge. Next, click on the address bar. In the address bar, go to filecr.com. Once the website opens, use the search box and type Proton VPN. From the search results, click on Proton VPN and download the latest version available. After the download is complete, open the setup file and follow the on-screen instructions to install the software on your PC. Once the installation is finished, launch Proton VPN, sign in, or create a free account, and you're ready to start using the VPN on your Windows system. And that's it. You've successfully installed and set up a free VPN on Windows. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more practical tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.